the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a game-changer. It's a business model that allows you to sell products without ever holding any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, you simply purchase the item from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to your customer. This eliminates the need for significant upfront investment in stock, storage space, and the complex logistics of fulfillment. It's a low-risk, high-reward strategy that has empowered countless entrepreneurs to launch their online businesses with minimal capital. Now, within the vast ecosystem of dropshipping, platforms like Spocket stand out. Spocket isn't just another dropshipping marketplace. It's a curated network of high-quality suppliers, primarily based in the US and Europe, offering products with faster shipping times and often better profit margins. This focus on local suppliers means happier customers who receive their orders quickly and fewer headaches for you. Spocket integrates beautifully with various e-commerce platforms, and today, our focus is specifically on WooCommerce, the incredibly flexible and powerful e-commerce plugin for WordPress. WooCommerce, as many of you know, is the backbone of millions of online stores worldwide. Its open-source nature, vast array of extensions, and immense customization capabilities make it a favorite among developers and entrepreneurs alike. When you combine the power of WooCommerce with the efficiency of Spocket, you create a formidable e-commerce machine. You gain access to a diverse catalog of products, from trendy fashion accessories to innovative gadgets, all ready to be imported and sold on your own branded store. This synergy allows you to leverage the best of both worlds: the robust e-commerce features of WooCommerce and the streamlined dropshipping capabilities of Spocket. So, how exactly do we bridge this gap and get Spocket talking to your WooCommerce store? The process is surprisingly straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to set everything up for success. Before we begin, there are a couple of prerequisites. First, you'll need an active WordPress website with the WooCommerce plugin already installed and configured. If you haven't set up WooCommerce yet, there are plenty of excellent tutorials available to guide you through that initial setup. Second, you'll need a Spocket account. If you don't have one, head over to Spocket's website and sign up. They offer various plans to suit different business needs, and you can even start with a free trial to explore their product catalog. Once you have both your WooCommerce store and your Spocket account ready, the first step is to install the Spocket plugin on your WordPress website. This is incredibly simple. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Spocket and hit Enter. You'll see the official Spocket plugin appear in the search results. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, make sure to click Activate. This plugin acts as the crucial bridge between your WooCommerce store and your Spocket account. After activating the plugin, you'll find a new Spocket menu item added to your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and you'll be prompted to connect your Spocket account. This usually involves logging in with your Spocket credentials through a secure pop-up window. Once successfully connected, your Spocket dashboard will essentially be accessible directly from within your WordPress admin area. This integration is what makes the entire process so seamless. You won't have to constantly switch between different platforms. Everything is centralized for your convenience. Now that your accounts are linked, it's time for the exciting part: finding products to sell. Within the Spocket section of your WordPress dashboard, you'll have access to the full Spocket product catalog. You can browse by category, search for specific items, or even filter by price, shipping location, and premium products. Take your time exploring the vast selection. Look for products that align with your niche, appeal to your target audience, and offer good profit margins. Remember, quality products and reliable suppliers are key to building a reputable and successful dropshipping business. Once you've identified a product you'd like to add to your store, simply hover over it and click the Add to Import List button. You can add multiple products to your import list before pushing them to your store. This allows you to curate a selection of products and review them before they go live on your WooCommerce site. After you've finished adding products to your import list, navigate to the Import List tab within the Spocket plugin. Here, you'll see all the products you've selected. Before pushing them live, you have the opportunity to review and edit various aspects of each product. This is a crucial step for optimization. You can change the product title, Write a compelling description, adjust the pricing. Spocket allows you to set your own markup rules, select relevant categories, and even modify product images. This level of customization is vital for branding your store and ensuring your product listings are optimized for search engines and customer engagement. Once you're satisfied with your product edits, simply select the products you wish to publish and click the Push to Store button. Within moments, those products will appear as new products in your WooCommerce store, complete with images, descriptions, and pricing. It's truly that simple. The Spocket plugin handles all the heavy lifting of transferring the product data, creating the necessary product pages, and syncing the inventory. Now, an essential aspect of dropshipping is order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store for a Spocket product, that order will automatically appear in your Spocket account. You'll receive a notification, and from your Spocket dashboard, you can review the order details and initiate the fulfillment process. You simply pay the wholesale price for the product, and the supplier will handle the packaging and shipping directly to your customer. Spocket also provides tracking information, which you can then pass on to your customers, keeping them informed every step of the way. Beyond the initial setup and product import, Spocket offers a range of features to help you manage your dropshipping business effectively. These include automated inventory syncing, which means you'll never accidentally sell an out-of-stock item, and automated order fulfillment, which streamlines the entire process. Spocket also provides excellent customer support should you encounter any issues or have questions. Connecting Spocket to WooCommerce is a powerful strategy for anyone looking to enter the e-commerce space or expand their existing online business. It removes the complexities of inventory management and shipping, allowing you to focus your energy on marketing, customer service, and growing your brand. With a vast selection of high-quality products from reliable suppliers and the robust features of WooCommerce, you're well-equipped to build a successful and sustainable online store. This integration empowers you to offer a diverse range of products without the traditional overhead, making it an incredibly attractive and scalable business model. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.